I'm going to replace the brushes in my alternator on a 94 Ford Taurus. First step is detach the negative off the battery. Unplug the alternator. We're going to take out these three hex keys. 2 from the top, 1 from the bottom. We're going to pull the piece off. This is the regulator. Stay tuned. Okay, there were 4 screws in this one. To get the regulator out, we just pull on it. It comes out. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. Regulators right here, and let's see if we can get a clear picture. That's what's left on it. Alright. Yeah, that's what we got. So now it's time to take that off by removing the 2 screws right there. In that little hole in the middle, we're going to stick a pin in to push down the little feet, little brush feet. And stay tuned. This is the new brush. Came in the box. This little pin right here is what I'm going to use to retract the feet. Let me get this open. See, the new brush has extra long feet. If you compare that to that one, that is a big deal of a difference. Now just imagine how much better the car will run because it'll be getting proper power after we install this. Okay, the new piece took Phillips head for those 2 screws. You see those little center holes in the middle of the feet? Well, when I push them down, they're going to meet up with that little center hole in between the 2 screws, and I'm going to stick my pin in. Let's see if I can keep a hold to it. I can try to show you. I can try to. Alright, my other pen wouldn't work. It was too thick. So I went and I got a sewing needle. And both pins, if you can see, the brushes, they're both seated. The pin is through the middle. I'm going to attach this back to the alternator. Putting all 4 star key tool screws in. It took a T20. And I needed the L type so it can go on. So back to the car we go. And if you can take a look inside, and it's not that clear, ain't got no light. You know, that's where it's gonna go. Okay, it's back together. I'm going to plug it back in. That's nice and snug. Next step is to put the battery cable back on. And tighten it. Hold on. Kind of hard to do it and hold the camera at the same time, but I'm going to tighten that. Everything is back together. Next step is to start the car. The anti-lock light is on because I got the fuse pulled out right now. But car starts up beautifully. And it solved the problem of the alternator cutting on and off for power, because typically it would have been doing that by now. Thank you for watching. Bye.